everyone, मेरा नाम सुमिधा है and welcome to Chalchitra Talks. This week, I want to talk about a psychedelic rock band and one of my long-time personal favorite bands, King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard. So this is a 7-member band from Australia, and they comprise of 3 guitarists, 1 bass guitarist, 2 drummers, and one harmonica player. So before I got into King Gizzard, I was mostly into softer music like instrumental, indie, and post rock. But when I came across King Gizzard through their KEXP performance video, through their first performance actually on KEXP through YouTube, that is what marked my transition into liking more heavier psychedelic music. And this band changed my own conception of the kind of music I like. From 2010 until now, they've released a total of 16 full-length albums, and each of them they've experimented with almost everything combined with the psychedelic theme, ranging from jazz, acoustic, folk, space rock, garage rock, thrash metal, everything. And I personally love almost all of their albums, and I want to do proper justice to each of them. So, for this episode, I decided that I will focus only on a few specific albums, and I want to cover their mellower work in this episode, and I'll be covering their heavier work in a future episode. So, I would like to start with the album Float Along, Fill Your Lungs, which was released in 2013. And this album has a very classic pop element to it, and they've also experimented with many sound effects and instruments. I want to start with the opening track called Head On Pill, and it's the longest track in this album. It's a 16-minute long track. It takes time for it to catch on its pace. It's definitely worth listening to the whole song at least once. And I personally love the prominent sitar tune with which the song starts. My next favorite song from this album is I'm Not a Man Unless I Have a Woman. And this has a very soulful 60s pop vibe to it. The leading vocals in the song have been sung by the band's lead singer and guitarist Stu McKenzie, but also has supporting vocals by the band's harmonica player Ambrose Kenny Smith. And I personally really love Kenny's voice because it has a very sort of dreamy and country style vibe to it, which goes perfectly well with the psychedelic vibe of the band. And for this very reason, my next favorite song from this album is Let Me Mend the Past, in which it's just Ambrose who's singing the song. And again, it's a very dreamy and very psychedelic pop sort of song. Next, I want to talk about the album called Oddments, which was released in 2014. And this album is mainly a collection of their old demos and songs, जिन्होंने इससे पहले के एल्बम्स में इंक्लूड नहीं करे. So इस एल्बम का कोई एक कॉमन थीम नहीं है, but it has a mix of all different styles. And I want to start with my favorite track from this album, Work This Time. This song almost sounds like a very comforting lullaby, जिसमें जो vocals हैं वो बहुत muted हैं and they blend very perfectly with the background music. And this song has actually been sung by another guitarist in the band, Joey Walker. The next song that I want to talk about is called Stressin', which is again a very dreamy sort of song with lyrics that I'm sure all of us can relate to. And this is again one of King Gizz's more relaxed sounding songs. The last song that I want to mention from this album is called Hot Wax, and this is a very King Giz characteristic crazy sounding song. And इसका म्यूज़िक वीडियो भी बहुत ट्रिपी है एंड बहुत ही रैंडम है विद लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट विजुअल इफेक्ट्स दैट they've put in, and it's not very refined but it's still very fun to watch. The next album that I want to talk about is called Quarters, which was released in 2015, and this album has a total of 4 songs, and the total length of the album is 40 minutes 40 seconds. So each song forms a quarter of the whole album, and each one of the songs is timed at 10 minutes 10 seconds exactly. I personally love this whole album, and this is considered to be one of the most gentle and accessible works, in the sense that even if you're not someone who likes a lot of psychedelic music or a lot of crazier psychedelic music, it's still possible that you might like this album because it's again a very mellower work of theirs and it's a very relaxed psychedelic vibe to it. This whole album feels like it came out of a random jam session of the band, and the first song in this album is called The River, And this is actually the very first King Gizzard song that I listened to, and what got me into really liking this band. The pace of the song keeps changing throughout, so even if the song is very long, you will still not get bored, because, or it won't feel like the song is extending too much, because they keep doing something different throughout the song that keeps you kind of interested and glued to the song. The other three tracks in this album are Infinite Rise, God is in the Rhythm, and Lonely Steel Sheet Flyer. And I would recommend that you listen to this whole album together. The last album that I want to talk about in this part 1 video for King Gizzard is called Paper Mache Dream Balloon, which they also released in 2015. And इस particular album में band ने कोई भी electric instruments नहीं use करे हैं, and they just use acoustic instruments. This album is mainly characterized by psychedelic peppy folk theme, and also has very well layered instrumentation, because that is how they've compensated for the for not using any electric instruments. But even with acoustic instruments, they've used a lot of layering, which does not make you miss any of the electronic components that they've used in the other albums. And इस album में the track lengths are relatively shorter, with no track length exceeding 4 minutes, because उनके पहले के जो भी albums हैं, a lot of them have very long length tracks. My first favorite from this album is called The Bitter Boogie, and this is a very dreamy and blues vibe to it. The next song that I want to mention is called Trapdoor, and this is again a very characteristic King Gizzard crazy song, and this is one of the, I think, fastest songs in this whole album. ये जो पहले के albums हैं, songs like Trapdoor and Hot Wax, इनके videos are very random, and it's just really fun to watch them because they put a lot of visual effects. So if you actually liked all the songs that I've talked about in this video, please do go ahead and explore these particular albums fully. And if you're into psychedelic music, I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So this was my recommendation for the week, and I'll be back next week with another recommendation. And please let me know what you guys think about King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard.